4.5 ya 0 ke 0 mara ha 30 e be 4.5% ya 30 then e go for 1485 ke batho ba 3906 ba entseng that basic then we times 1485 390506 times 1485 total will be this one so it's all of this equal to what is it now how is the amount in our member okay you go for more and more no get 3906 here 15,000 and then we divide the car 1485 15,000 divided by 14.85 to atokera total ya batho ba me aba hlokang ka tlasa
15,000
yes 15,000 divided by 14.85 ke batla total ya batho ba ba hlokang o ra fitlhele target ya 15,000 ka kgwedi how much
1,010
1,000 okay 1030 1010 all right so
then in a people
I did one. So what are you how often is team ever talk 10 11 multiply 1485 15,000 achieved and that they went over 2 times was 14 and 8.5 so what are you doing 20 22 so how many 2022 ya back then if you take it around 30,000 usanzo to spend only around 700 ya o rekeni to tsawa zelo lo wa berekisa wa nne o ube healthy how I know tsawa ya fair hona le batho mo ba ile ba na le mathata ba di shop le products then leti o ka fumana a o isele tšhelete ya o e reke because ke batho ba ka ba kuna batho mo clinic di tletse ba bula line mo kwa 6 o seng a ba tswa ka 5 they need the products you guys pay you. I can check it.
Then I want to take it away.
What's about to drain about power?
I can buy some.
Yes, that's like how do you make a fair what we take it? Okay, take it as still would be very kissy. That begin to what I need. So, but no, it take it more another choice. You for a like about a record fair, I about to drain a business, about a record product, it's you got honor yet and the only disadvantage ya with and to work it all patterns are extra because you guys already said the guy distributor price who's a distributor. So how much I can express that's 60 rand as a distributor. How about how would select a fair or no I about to join a business? Then you could charge any price. Can share a fair get no mama 120. What I can say 120 because I'll distribute. But I'll distribute gas of no key. Kenya extra because we have a company direct. Then it will go first on 60 rand. Lo ena o rekisa motho o mo rekisetsa wa mo sheba fela. O kenya di specs. Una le tšhelete motho. Faka price. Ye mo peta. Ba